Hey there, friends! Today I'll show you how to play Minecraft with friends without signing into a Microsoft account. For this, we need to enter your world. This is on the host side. Whoever's in charge needs to enter their own world. Once you're in your world, go to Settings where you can select default permissions, either member or operator. This controls who can join you. As you can see, multiplayer is enabled, and for your friend to join, connect to the same Wi-Fi. When they open the game, they'll see your world and can join you. That's all there is to it. This is Weller with you. See you later, everyone.